I've been a massive MagSafe fan since it was introduced with the iPhone 12, and ever since then I've been using various MagSafe cases, MagSafe chargers, MagSafe car holders, MagSafe accessories, all sorts of MagSafe equipment. But it's not until recently that I've come across the absolute best case for my iPhone 13 Pro. It's taken me a couple of years to find it, but it's finally come, and it's absolutely fantastic. Hands down, the best MagSafe compatible case that I've used that's third party anyway. Now, it's not just the best case that I've used, it's the best ecosystem, and I'll explain what I mean about that because this video is about Magbach's car charger. Now, this is their car charger, comes in a box like this, and this is actually it. It supports fast charging, 10 watts, 5 watts and 3 watts. It's actually got a built-in fan as well, so you can have a fan, keeps it cool, stops the phone overheating, and actually improves the efficiency of the charging itself. But in the box, you actually get one of their mag bars, which is compatible with this, so you can attach this to your car or your wagon or your caravan or your wall. No matter where you want to put this mag bar, that's the magnets that actually helps this work. They are really, really strong rare earth magnets, and they just work fantastically. And not only do they work fantastic on their own, they work fantastically with every Magbach product, and that is where you'll get the best experience. So the case I've been using is this red one from Magbach, and they sent me the wallet to go with this as well. The wallet is brilliant, and not only does it have magnets to attach to the case, it has magnets on the back here, so you can actually attach it to the holder as well. So it's got front and back magnets. And this is what I mean about ecosystem. All of these products just work seamlessly together, and they are really good quality. The charger actually does get delivered with the charging adapter as well. It's USB-C, supports 30 watt fast charging, so that can go into the car. And it's quite small as well, so it's not going to stand out like a sore thumb. The wire itself is 1 meter long, and that's a really important feature because you can have this charger not plugged into the front car charger. You can actually put it into the back one if you've got one, and then this wire reaches all the way to the front wherever you've got the charger mounted. So recently I moved away from using an Apple wallet, but I was using the Magbach wallet. I'd fully recommend this over any Apple product. It's far better. I've done a review about it. I'll link that up above if you want to check that out, and about this case as well. Really good quality case, but it's the magnets that set this thing apart from other brands out there. So the charger goes onto your dashboard via the mag bar. You attach the mag bar onto your dashboard of your car or whatever you want to mount it. The magnets stick the charger onto it, and then this sticks onto the actual charger. It's so strong, it's not going to fall off. The only thing I will say is that with some car dashboards like mine, they're a little bit unusually shaped. It works better on a flat surface. Mine does work, but it's not a totally flat surface, and it's sort of angled at a weird angle. But that's not the charger's fault, that's the car design's fault. Next time I buy a car, I'll make sure I get a flat dashboard. So I've used this on a trip recently when we went away for the weekend. Just works brilliant. Every time you put it in charging, holds the phone. I've used it for navigation, and it charges whilst you're using the phone, so obviously that's really good. And if you want to have the fan on, the fan is slightly audible, but you can't hear it over, say, the car navigation or the car radio, for instance, so it's very, very quiet. But it just works well, and I fully recommend these products from Magbach because it's their mounting system, their MagSafe mount system and fast charging charger. Everything works brilliantly seamless together, and these are by far, like I said, by far the best ecosystem when it comes to MagSafe accessories, working in tandem, working seamlessly across the board. Love them. So that's the charger from Magbach. Like I said, I've reviewed a few of their products before. If you do want to grab this or any of their other products, I will link them in the description down below. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, so it helps this channel grow if you do buy through that link. But this is not a sponsored video. I really do use this product. I've been using this case now for about 4 or 5 weeks. Best case I've ever owned, hands down. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Please, if you're new to the channel, really consider subscribing. We've got plenty of tech uploads every single week. Lots of stuff coming on a daily basis. So stay tuned. But until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.